Hi guys, welcome to Flying Grip Academy. Today we are going to discuss about DOS commands. So the first command, before discussing the commands, what we are going to do is we are going to see what is a command prompt. In order to open the command prompt, press Windows plus R so that we can able to type CMD. Okay. So now I am going to press Windows or CMD where I am going to open the command prompt. So the first command which we are going to learn is version. So what version we are using, that particular version we need to know. So in order to know the version command, we are going to type ver. Okay. So ver is a command which we are going to type. So I am going to type ver. It is going to show the current version of the particular Microsoft Windows. It is going to show version 10.0.19044.1889. Next we will see the second command. The second command is color. So for that we need to type COLOR. So we are going to type the color COLOR, color 1. It is going to change into dark blue color. Next, color 2. Next, color 3. So next one, to get recently typed command. Recently typed command, we use up and down arrows. So whenever you are going to press up and down arrows, you can able to get this specific thing. So for example, I have pressed up and again I have pressed the down arrow. I am going to get the color 4. So next, color 9, color 15. Okay, so it even changed the background also. So color 99, so it is not acceptable 5. So it changes the different colors so that you can able to experience. For example, for any command you need a help. Okay, color space followed by backslash and question mark. So it is going to show the menu which color you can able to use for any command. So fourth one, for any command you need help, so you can able to type backslash followed by question mark. So now here you can able to press any key to continue, and for example I am going to type help, so it is going to show help. So which kind of commands are available in your command prompt. So let us close this command prompt and I will reopen the command prompt. Okay, so here what I am going to do, the changes which we have made in the command prompt is not reflected. Now let us type the command prompt, click the command prompt top and click the properties, and if you would like to change the screen text, click on the screen text and change the color which you would want to apply. You can able to apply. So properties, screen text, and go for changing the color 100, 210, 130. So now it is showing you in green color. So let us open and close again. The command prompt color is not going to change. So here you can able to change the font. So if you want a bigger font, so this kind of font is not suitable for us, so you can able to select the font in lesser size. So it also shows the particular character 12, 20 width and height by default which it is opening. And if you like some other font, you can able to change the particular font which you want. So some people like Courier, some people like Consolas and Lucida, some other kind of comments. So it depends upon your like whatever the command you would like to do, you can do and adjust. Next, if you would next command is start command. The fifth command is start command. So what happens whenever you are going to type the start command? I am clicking the start command. It has opened the new command prompt. So let us type one more start here. It has opened one more command prompt. So like that you can able to open as many number of command prompts which you would like to open. So this facility is available whenever you are going to work with the command line environment. So whenever you are going to type the start command, you can able to open the specific command prompt. So now the another command is directory. Sixth one which we are going to create is directory. So directory means a folder. So it means directory specifies a folder. For example, I am going to open the Windows. So here in C drive you can able to create a folder. Let us name this one as A. Okay, so you can create a subfolder D, and again you can able to create a subfolder C. Okay, so in order to make a directory or list the directories, let us see in directories command. First one is dir. Okay, the first one is dir. I am going to type dir command. It is going to list out whatever the folders and directories are there in a C drive. So it is going to list all the directories which is available in the specific folder C drive, users, and followed by electrobot. So now what I am going to do is for your purpose, I am going to open Epic Pen. 1 second. So now let us see, so which particular folder we are residing. So we are going to reside under the specific folder. We are in C drive. So in C drive, users electrobot. Okay, in this folder we are residing. So let us go to that particular folder where we are residing. C drive, C drive, users, electrobot. So here what are all the folders are contained? So idlerc, so that one, nbi.nbi, contacts, some folder and all the things we are having. Okay, so that one is going to list out the all the directories. So next command is you are going to type dir. So whenever I am going to press upper arrow, it is going to show the dir backslash ah. It is going to show including the hidden files and folders which is residing in this one. So if you are going to see here, only the certain things which we are appearing is shown by the dir command. So whenever we are going to type the dir ah command, so here we have typed dir backslash ah command. It is going to list some particular files and directories, so which are not existing by the dir command. So because those are hidden files, that might be cookies, that might be temporary files which is residing, so all the things is shown by the dir ah command. So now which things we have seen so far? dir space backslash ah, all hidden files including. So now you are having a several options. So if you would like to show the system files, so you can able to go for an option. So dir yes, so it is going to show all the system files which are residing in a specific directory. So it also shows in which particular date it was created and all the things. In order to stop this one, I am going to press Ctrl C. So to stop, command prompt press Ctrl plus C, so that you can able to stop the command prompt. Now if you want to sort by the name, so you can able to type /n. So by name it is going to get sort by name. Okay, sort by size. So next sort by group. So you need to type /sort by group. You can have an option sort by order. So it is going to sort by order, sort by group. So okay, so it is not showing that particular thing. So there are certain kind of compatibility issues between version to version. So let us see how to create a directory. So now what we have done, in particular C drive we have created a folder. Within this A folder we have created a subfolder B. Within this B folder we have created a subfolder called C. Now what we are going to do, so how to go and create a directory inside this particular C. I want to create a D inside the folder C. So now to create a directory, so we are going to study about this one. To create a directory, so what we are going to do, we are using a command mkdir command, so that we can able to create a directory. So before that, to change the directory, so what we are going to do, we are going to use cd command. So cd stands for change directory. So cd stands for change directory, or you can able to use chdir. So you can use this one command also, either whatever the thing you want. So now basically if you are going to see this folder, if you click at the top, you are having a C drive. I will come step by step. C drive, you are having a folder called users. In the users, I am having a folder called electrobot. In this folder, I am going to open the command prompt. Okay, you can able to see users electrobot. This is the folder. Whatever the username I have given during the installation of this particular Windows, that particular name will be taken as a folder. So from that only command prompt, whatever the thing is going to open, that will be opened by a default path. So whoever the current user is there, if you are going to create a some other user account, so from that it is going to open. So now what I am going to do is I would come to one step backward. So one step backward means here I am going to come one step backward, which is users. So I am residing in this particular folder C drive / users. So now in order to come one step backward, what I am going to type is cd dot dot. Cd dot dot is a command which you can able to come one step backward. Cd dot dot one step backward. Okay, so now again I am going to type by using a upper arrow cd dot dot. I came to one step backward, which is C drive. So now I am going to click start. So now it is start is going to open from the same path. So now I am going to close both the things. I have opened command prompt. I want to go for root directory, which is a C drive. cd /. Okay, cd / change directory to C drive. cd / means it goes to the root directory. cd / goes to root directory. So it means wherever the drive which we are using, C drive, E drive and so on. So for example, if you want to know the particular drive A, comma B drive, so which is taken for floppy disk. So A and B drives are reserved for floppy disk. So these two drives are reserved for floppy disk. So now because of that reason, operating system starts from C drive. So C drive is the thing starting point of operating system, which is going to stored in hard disk. So it is reserved for hard disk. So this is what it is going to happen. So now we came to know, so what is change directory. So now we are in the C drive. Already we are in the C drive. We have created a folder name. So here if you click here, you can able to see the path. C drive, we have created a folder A and we have created a folder B and we are in folder C. So now what you need to do, I need to go to folder A, cd change directory or chdir A. So now I have changed the directory A, or you can able to use cd also, cd space B. So now within the folder A, we are having a folder name B. So now we need to move to B, cd space B. So now we are going to move inside the B. So you can able to see path is separated by /. Moving inside the folder, is separated by /. So now B, and again we would like to move to inside C, cd space C. We are moving inside the folder C. So inside C, is there any folder? No folder is inside the C. So what I am going to do is I am going to create a directory md d. So now what is happened? A directory D is created. So now I want to delete a directory mkdir or md. Okay, so now what I am going to do is delete a directory. So rmdir is a command used to remove a directory, or rd. So now rd space, which folder you want to remove? D. So now if you see here in C drive, D is deleted. So now again I am creating md D. So now D is created, rd, D is deleted. It is showing the folder is empty. So in this manner you can able to create and delete the directory. So basically how you are going to create a directory? You are going to create a directory by using a create directory. So now if I am going to use a mkdir space D. So now again D is created, or you can able to use a rmdir. So here I am going to type rmdir D. So now D is deleted. So you can able to use both the things. So now next one is copy command. So next command which we are going to use is copy command.
The next command we are going to discuss right now is copy command. So basically copy command is going to allow you to copy the files from source to destination. So let us now create a folder in C drive. So what we are going to do, here I am going to delete all the files. Here in C drive I am going to create a file called hello. So in this hello text document, what I am going to do is I am going to type some text that hello, I am from C drive moving to G. So this one I have saved by pressing Ctrl S. So now in G drive what I am going to do is, in G drive I am going to create a folder G, and here I am going to delete all the text. So and I have saved this file. So once if you are going to open this file, it is an empty document. So now what I am going to do is I am going to open a command prompt, and now what I am going to do is I am going to use a copy command. Copy, what is the path? In C drive, what we have created a folder called A. So in order to go to folder A, so A folder, it contains a document hello.txt. So it has to move to the destination folder. In G drive we are having a folder called G. So within that it is going to save. So now what is the message you are going to see here? One file is copied. So now I am going to G drive, and within this G folder, and here you are having a hello.hello. So now here you have got a message. So hello, I am from C drive moving to G. So actually no need to create a hello empty text. So for example, if I am going to change the message inside the particular folder, so sorry, I am going to move to A drive. So here I have text existing file replaced. So now I am going to press upper arrow mark, and I have pressed this one. So it is asking you to overwrite all the files. I am going to type yes, and now the file is copied. So now I am going to G drive and G folder, and I have opened this one. So now what it is showing, the existing file is replaced. So in this manner you are going to work with this one. For example, sometimes you will not work with the copy command because your command prompt may show some error. So at that time what you need to do is you can able to try this command sfc space \scan now. So what it is going to do is, so it has to run by the administrator mode. In order to run by the administrator mode, so you have to type command. So now here you need to right click the particular command prompt, run as administrator. So now you need to click yes. So now it is going to show the different path. In the previous command which I have run by using a cmd, it is showing the user. So now user electrobot, it is the username. So but what it is showing, it is going to show the system32. So now it has to be run by the administrator only. So now I am going to type the command. The command name is, so which I am going to type is sfc space \scan now. So basically why we are using the command, sometimes some updates will be pending. So at that time you can able to paste this particular command. So now you can paste the command. Okay, so sfc \scan now. So now if you are going to type the command, it is going to take some time in order to process, begin the verification phase. So it is going to check the system scan and it will take the time in order to complete. So whenever 100% is completed, all your DOS commands will be working. Okay, so this is what we are going to move. So now we have copied the command, but if you want to move the file, it means it is similar to cut the file. So next command is move command. Here what we are going to do is, in A I am going to create one more particular folder. Folder name is B, and again I am going to create some particular file hello. So HELLOW, and this hello. So I am going to save this file. So what I am going to do is, in G drive, if you are going to see G folder, it doesn't contain anything, and I am going to type the command move C drive A *** to G drive. So here it is going to show it is a volume that you cannot able to move all the files and directories because there are the directories. Okay, so now what I am going to do is, in A drive we have C drive we have created A, again we have created B, and so /B/ star dot star to G drive. So now one file is moved. If you go to B, it doesn't contain any folder. Now if you are going to see the particular drive in G, you can able to notice hello is a particular file which contains in that particular thing. The file is copied. The next command which we are going to discuss right now is path. So now if you are going to type path command, cls is used to clear the screen, path. So path is going to show whatever the path variables are set in the environment variables. So let us open my computer. If you go my PC, C drive, or my PC, right click properties. So if you click the my properties, you can able to see advanced system settings. In advanced system settings, you can able to see the environment variables. So here you are having a path. If you are going to click the edit, so you can able to copy the path, and if you whatever the copied path is there, so if you paste it here, so it belongs to Java path. So there are different paths are there. So here you can able to notice, you can able to see the environment variables. There is a set path. So this environment variable path is different. Here system variable path is different. System variable path is going to installed by the whatever the software you are going to install, that will be set in the system variables. If you click edit, you can able to see PowerShell modules relevant to that one. So never change the variables of system. If you want to change the path, you can able to change the path of environment variables only. Okay, so if you want to go for environment variables, you can check. So if you want to check the system variables, you can. So here you are having a different files and different paths, program files path, and you can able to see common files path, the same thing. And also we have set the Java, so that particular path is also shown here. So next command is path, and next one is set command. If you are going to type the set command, it is going to show whatever the paths you have set in the particular environment variables is shown here. So here, if you are going to, again if you go to my PC, properties, here again you can go for advanced system settings, environment variables. So here whatever the things are set, that particular things are shown. User profile data and other kind of data, all the things is shown here. Windows directory, all the program files, all the things are shown. So in this manner, set is used to set the path. For example, if I am going to show you one thing, so here in advanced system settings, so if I am going to type Java C, already I have set Java. If I am going to set Java C, it is going to show the path. So now I would like to delete the path, and I would like to set the path temporarily. So now environment variables, here the path which I have set in Java, I am going to delete the path. So now if I open the command prompt, and start command is going to start a new command prompt, I am going to type the path. So Java C. So here it is the previous one which is going to start. So because we have not clicked OK, then OK. So now again I am going to restart the command prompt. If I am going to type Java C, so what it is showing, it is not recognized as an internal or external command. So you can able to set the path by using these two variables. So path is different and set is different. Set path equal to, so where the particular folder has been installed in your C drive. So I have moved to C drive, and program files is a particular folder which contains all your installed softwares. So I have installed x86 Java. X86 means 32-bit version of operating system. So if you are installing any 32-bit softwares, that will be installed in x86. So you can go to here JDK and bin, and go to here and copy. So now you can able to copy the path, and you have copied the path, and what I am going to do is I am going to paste it here. So this path will be set temporarily, so that you can able to create. So now I am going to type set path equal to C drive program files. Within the x86 folder you have a Java folder, within that JDK 1.6 is the version which I have installed, and bin. So now I am going to type the Java C. So now the path is been set. The path is set, but if I close the window, the path is set temporarily on your command prompt. It is not set permanently. I am going to close this particular command prompt window. What I am going to do is I am going to reopen the command prompt window and typing the Java C. So now whether it is recognized the path? No. Again if I am going to set the path, and again I am going to type the Java C, now it is recognized. So it is difficult for us to set the path each and every time. In order to avoid that one, what we are going to do is we are going to set the path in the environment variables. Okay, in this PC, right click, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, new. Here I am going to type the path, and here you can able to paste the value. So now C drive, program files, Java, JDK 1.6 bin. So I am going to click the OK, which is going to set the path permanently. Now what I am going to do is I am going to close the command prompt window, and again I am going to open the command prompt window and Java C. So now the path is set. So we came to know importance of set and path variables. The next command which we are going to discuss is tree. If I am going to open the command prompt tree, it is going to show the tree structure of all the things. So next one is date command. Next command is tree is over date. So date command is used to show the date and time. So it is going to show, if you would like to change the current date, you can able to change from command prompt also. So here it is going to show the particular date is 11th to September 2022, and here what it is showing. So if you want to enter new date, you can enter, otherwise press Ctrl C. So if you are going to enter the time, so you would like to modify the new time, you can able to modify the new time, you can able to set it from here. Okay, if you doesn't want, you can able to press Ctrl C. Now so next command is prompt. So what prompt is going to do is prompt. So if you are going to prompt something on the screen, whatever the message you would like to display, hi, if you would want to something to the screen, you can able to type. So hi will be given each and every time whenever you are going to type. In prompt command, $A stands for ampersand, $B stands for pipe, next $C left parenthesis, so next one $D current date, next one $E escape, $H is used for backspace, and next one is $N current drive, next one is a $Q equal to sign, $T current time, so $V version. So these are the different types of prompt. So let us reopen the particular command prompt. We will type prompt space $A. So it is going to get the ampersand symbol. So next Ctrl C, if I am pressing also, we will get the same thing. So in order to get the other commands, what we are going to do is we will reopen command prompt. Next one is $B. So we need to type a prompt, prompt. So we have got a pipeline symbol, and reopen the command prompt $D. So now it is going to show date and time. If you press enter also, it is going to show date and time, and again $E. So we need to mention prompt before. So it is going to show empty space. It doesn't show anything whenever you are going to press $E, because $E is escape. Next one, $H, prompt $H. So what H is? Backspace. Next, $N. So better thing is to close and reopen prompt $D(N). So it is going to show the current drive, so which particular drive we are, and $Q, it is showing equal $T, it is going to show current time. Next, $V, it shows the version. So this is the usage of prompt. Next command is edit. So basically we are having a editor in your particular command line, command prompt. So if you are going to type edit, so edit, okay, so edit is not working here. Basically you are having a editor here, but in Windows 10 it is not working. So next one is Xcopy. So Xcopy is also does the same thing, similar to that one. So now we are having in A drive, we are going to keep a file called hello. So now we would like to use Xcopy and move to G drive. In G drive G, and I am going to remove this one. So we use Xcopy. So C drive, the folder name is A slash hello. So the folder file name is in C drive. We are having a drive, and in A we are having a hello.txt. So it is a text document which is in capital letter. So make sure which particular thing we are having, hello.txt. To where? In G drive. So in folder G. So now you can able to notice here one file is copied. Now you can go to the folder G. You can able to see hello. So Xcopy and copy does the same thing, which you can able to notice. Next command is -key. So here you can able to type -key. So it doesn't show you anything. So if you want to install something, or if you want to get the history, so -key history /history, you can get the history recent -key. So the options are reinstall, list size. So options, so here reinstall, then list size, macros, next one history, insert, overstrike, exec name, so which specifies the executables, macro file. So these are the available options. The next command which we are going to discuss is find command. So I am going to press CMD find. So find, so what is the parameter? So backslash followed by question mark. So whatever the question mark we are going to get, it is going to get the following options. Next command is check disk. So now you are going to type chkdsk. So now it is going to deny access because you want to check the check disk, you need to have a admin privileges. So now right click, run as administrator, so it will open Windows 32, system 32, chkdsk. So it is going to check the status, the type of the file, and the configuration. So what is the type of the particular thing which you are using. So it is going to get by using the check disk. So basically disk checking will be done whenever a particular power failure has happened without shutdowning in a normal way. So at the time sometimes disk checking should be done because it examines from your RAM to hard disk, and it is going to check all the features whether any files are missing or other kind of things is happening, which you will do by using a check disk command. So now the other kind of commands are defragmentation. For example, defrag. So defrag is used to defragmentation C drive. So for example, if you would like to defragmentation, so I have cancelled the defragmentation. I have typed defrag command in this one. So if you would like to defragmentation, so it is going to compress all the files so that after the defragmentation is done. Commands, next commands which we are using are networking commands. The first command is ipconfig. Ipconfig is a command which is used to open the IP address of a specific user. So whatever the user you are here, ipconfig. So here it is going to show my IP address, so which is a public IP, IPv4 address 192.168.29.67. So it is going to show the subnet mask and default gateway. So that ipconfig is a command which is used to know the current IP address of a specified user. So it is going to show what is the IP address of LAN, Ethernet gateway, Ethernet adapter of Wi-Fi. So now I am using a Wi-Fi, because of that reason it is showing. The next command we are going to use is ping. So next command we are using is ping. So now we are going to get the ping command. So now we came to know what is the IP address of Google. It is using a IPv6 version by the Google. So where it is showing IPv6 address. So now -t. So it is going to show the particular address. You can able to notice. So basically, if we are now previously we are having a IPv4 and IPv6 address. Basically most of them are using a IPv4 address, but now Google has switched to IPv6 address. So now let us see Amazon.com. But if you are noticing, Amazon is using the same IPv4 address 162.219.222.118. So but if you see the Google has switched to IPv6 address. So now 2404-6800-4009-820, so which is 2004. So it is IPv6 is a hexadecimal based IP address, so where it is going to use depending. So you can able to see ping command with the other options. So next one is netstat. So netstat is a command used to get a network statistics. So where it is going to show what is the particular protocol which you are using, what is the TCP IP protocol, so transmission control protocol and internet protocol. So where it is going to locate the address and the foreign address. So it is going to show 192.168.29.67 and which is mapped by the particular port number 750724, and again it is showing the foreign address 8009. So the connection establishment and connection release is shown here by netstat command. So next command is traceat. So I am going to type traceat command, which is going to show how many number of hops and host list and timeout and all the things it is going to show by using this particular traceat command. So it also shows hop count, timeout and target destination address to the host name. So now what I have done, traceat www.google.com. so where it is going to get the trace route of google.com. so it is going to try to get the route and the particular path from the google.com and what is the time delay, how many number of hops, so can I be able to get the hop count. So it is going to specify the how many number of hops. The target has been found by the 30 hops. This command will stop for looking. Basically up to 30 hops only it is going to check at maximum. So if it is exceeding that one, it is going to stop. So next one is NSLOOKUP. So let us type NSLOOKUP command here. So basically what the NSLOOKUP is going to do is, it is going to get the domain name server and what the information from the server. So now here I am using the Geo internet because of that reason. So which is the default server from where you are going to get the internet. So because of that reason it is showing Reliance. Reliance is a company which is going to provide the internet service provider for us, so for me. So for that reason it is going to show the NSLOOKUP. So next command is I am going to type is root. So if whenever I am going to type the route command, it is going to show the whatever the routes are available. So now it is going to show what are the particular routes are there. It is going to show the particular routing table running on the particular device. So in my device, whatever the routing tables are there, that is going to display. The next command is ARP. So ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. So whenever I am going to type ARP, it is going to display the particular address resolution protocol followed by options. So -a is going to display all the INET address specified. So let us type followed by -a. So now it is going to display the address, and if you are going to display type only ARP alone, it is going to show the different options. So let us try by typing the -d. So it is going to show the entry deletion is failed. So if address, so let us try the another one, hyphen if yes. So it is going to show the example and what are the things you can able to specify by using this one. The next command we are going to see is system info. It is going to get the system information from your command line. I am typing cmd system info. So whereas you are going to get the system information, how much MB of how much GB of RAM is there, and which particular operating system you are using, and media type, whether you are having a Wi-Fi enabled or not. So here all the details will be printed. The next thing is we are going to learn is batch programming. In batch programming, what we are going to do is the first command is echo. The echo command is going to print some message on the screen. Now here I am going to type echo hello. It is going to print hello on the screen. Now how to save this particular batch programming? Now what I am going to do is I am going to print echo space hello, and now what I am going to do is you need to save this particular file as all files example.bat. Already I have saved one file. I am going to rename that particular file. Now you need to go C drive, because we are in the C. Otherwise if you are in D, you can switch to D and cd / cd space we have created a folder called batch, and we are going to execute the program eg.bat. Sorry, bat. What it is showing, whatever the screen we have given, it is going to print on the screen. Now the next program what we are going to learn is set command. Next one is set command. Let us see what this particular set command is going to do. Basically if you are typing set, it is going to display the path. Similarly we have seen set path. Now we are going to see the set, what it is going to do. Set is going to set whatever the values or variables we are going to set x equal to hello, and let us set y equal to world, and now set z equal to. So now we are going to give the percentage, the text which we need to concatenate. So percentage x, next percentage y, because x we should be appended with y. So next y we have closed. So next we need to print a z echo. is used to display the thing on the screen, percentage z after enclose percentage. So now save this file as eg2.java, sorry, eg2.bat, bat. Save it as all files, save. Now I am going to execute previous one. So I used upper arrow, and what you need to do is eg2.bat. Now if you are going to see, x is hello and y is world. Now set z equal to hello world. So what we have given here, percentage is given, percentage x and again percentage y. Now it has appended hello world, and finally z will be printed on the screen, percentage z. Z is going to print whatever the content inside the z, it should be printed the hello world. So this is the importance of set command, where you can able to set the variables in the particular batch file. Next thing what we are going to learn is, so we would like to clear the internet files and folders. So for that what we are going to do is, we are going to clear the process. For example, if you are using a Windows 1, Windows button followed by 2, Windows button followed by 3, Windows button followed by 4, 5 and so on. So whatever the things you are having are the most recent files which is in your Windows bar, so this particular thing will be invoked. So by whenever you are going to press the process. So now we are going to write a program that is going to disable the firewall. Okay, program to disable firewall. This particular program we are going to learn. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to type here, what we are going to do is, we are going to clear all the process by typing the command. So here, in order to do that one, what we are going to do is, we are going to type the command echo off, and next we are using a command net sh advanced firewall. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to get the run dll 32.exe, so that you can able to clear all the process. So now run dll. So we are having a combination of dll exe files and batch files. So dll 32.exe file. With this exe file I need to clear inet cpl. So in cpl, c is capital, cpl dot cpl, and you need to clear my tracks on the process 1. Now clear my tracks by process. So which particular process you want to run. So I have typed this one, and I am going to save as eg3.bat. Now I am going to execute eg3.bat. eg3.bat. Let me try. So now what it is showing, the history is deleted. So once again you see, it is deleting the browser history. If you are typing process 2, process 3 and so on, it will be deleting the particular content, whatever the things is occupied by that particular process. So if a particular process is in the cache or in temporary files residing, you can able to type that particular process number by identifying, then you can able to clear. Program echo off. So no need to write echo off. If you want to write, you can. So now I am going to start strt start. Now set p as math equation. Next you are go p specifies the parameter. Next we are going to type set a. So copy this content and paste. Set a result. So it has to display the result. So where it is going to specify math. So here better thing is give in capital letters. So copy the math and before and after you specify percentage. Next echo a result. Percentage sign is used. To display the result. So next pass cls, go to start. Now save the program. Now run the program. So cd backslash now run the program. cd backslash cd batch eg4.bat. So now what equation you want to type? 5 plus 5. So now it is resulting 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So do you want to continue? You can press any key. So now equation 5 into 5, it is showing 25. Next if you want to press anything, 9 divided by 3, it is showing 3. So this is what it is going to show you. The next example what we are going to do is we are going to open an exe file from the particular desktop. So what we are going to do is we are going to use a specific syntax so that it can able to copy a particular exe file from one place to another. For that what we are using is I am going to use call. First thing is we need to open an exe file. So for that one I am going to use call. So let us see whether in our C drive whether we are having a exe file or not. Yes, we are having a exe file. I am going to copy the name of the exe file and you close this particular terminal call. So where I am, which particular setup I am going to call? C drive. So the particular setup name is magic ISO setup dot exe. So now I am going to save this one as eg5 dot bat under all files. Now let us open the command prompt, cd backslash cd batch. So now what we are going to open, eg5 dot bat. So whenever you are going to execute the eg5 dot bat, it is asking to install the magic setup ISO. So here whatever the exe file is there, it is going to open the setup. You can even convert, some converters are there, bat to exe file. By using a bat to exe file, you can able to convert the particular file. So now for example, you want to delete the particular exe file which we are having, and again I am going to copy the same thing and I am pasting the same path. So continue. So but here you will be getting a copy of particular thing. Now what I am going to do is I am going to delete. So for deleting this particular thing, I am going to del, and I am going to save the particular content. So now I would like to delete the exe file. So I am calling this one. It is going to show access is denied, because if you want to delete something, you can able to delete, but not in C drive. If you are some other drive other than C, you can able to delete, but if you want to delete that one, you can able to run as a administrator. So type command run as administrator. Now you have all the permission to delete. So now I have opened a system32. Go to cd backslash cd space batch. Now I am going to execute eg5 dot bat. So now the file has deleted. Some operations will be cleared by normal command prompt. Some, for some administrative privileges, you need to go for run as administrator. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel. Thank you.